Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we have finished 1 mark question and case study question for sample paper 2. So this is the continuation. Today we will learn 2 marks and 3 marks questions. It is meant for students 9, class 9, KVS, NVS and other CBSE schools. So I am showing both questions and answers. So before that, we should know the instructions for part B. There are 2 marks questions as well as 3 marks questions, and these are the number of questions 21 to 26. For 2 marks questions, you should be very short. You don't write all the steps, and I am not covering this 5 marks in this video. So question number 1, simplify 4 plus under root 5 by 4 minus under root 5 plus 4 minus under root 5 by 4 plus under root 5 by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, then simplify. You know how to rationalize the denominator. If it is a plus under root b is there in the denominator, you have to multiply a minus root b, and if it is your a minus under root b, you have to multiply a plus root b. We have already discussed this, because when you will multiply its conjugate, you will get a rational number. That is the thing. So what I'll do, I'll write 4 plus under root 5 upon 4 minus under root 5, and I'll rationalize with multiplying your conjugate of 4 minus under root 5, that is 4 plus under root 5. Similarly, next one, it will be 4 minus under root 5. What I'll multiply here? I'll multiply 4 minus root 5. Its conjugate will be 4 minus. So I'll multiply 4 plus root 5 was there. I'll multiply 4 minus root 5 both in the numerator and denominator. Now if we simplify, it will be either write down it is 4 plus under root 5 square, or multiply 1 by 1. If you write 4 plus root 5 square, then you have to apply a plus b whole square formula upon what will be the denominator. It will be 4 square minus root 5 square, you know. Similarly, come for second one, this will be 4 minus root 5 whole square, because this is a minus b multiplies a minus b. And here will be 4 square minus root 5 square. Now, if we'll write this, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus root 5 square will be 5 plus 2 into 4 into root 5. Then it will be 8 root 5. So now I am writing directly. It will be 16 plus 5 plus 8 root 5. And what will the denominator? It will be 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. 4 square 16, root 5 square is 5. So this will be 4 square minus root 5 square. That will be 16 minus 5, not 25. This will be 11. And next term will be your, next term is a minus b whole square. So this will be how much? 16 plus 5 minus 8 root 5 upon your again 11. So if we'll simplify this, it will be 16, 21, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 8 root 5, 11 plus 21 minus 8 root 5 by 11. Both have the same denominator. So it will be 11, then 21 plus 8 root 5 plus 21 minus 8 root 5. These two will be cancelled. That will be 42 by 11. So this is the answer of this question. This question, if you can note down this, I'll show you another method. Short method than this. Not very short, but I'm showing now this method. So what we'll do, just you go on simplifying, like your a by b plus c by d. What you get? You get BD as LCM, and D is multiplied here, C is multiplied here. So I'll write your 4 plus root minus root 5 into 4 minus root 4 plus root 5 is the LCM, product of these two. And this will be multiplied here. So for first term will be 4 root 5 multiplies 4 root 5. Now in between that is a positive sign. Next is 4 minus root 5 multiply 4 minus root 5. So individually I am not rationalizing. Now if you multiply, you will get the same thing, 4, 4, 16. Then 4 into under root 5 plus 4 root 5. Next you will get 4 root 5 again. Don't write root 5 4, write 4 root 5. Rational we write first. Then your root 5 into root 5, that will be 5. In the same way, come to here, it will get 4 into 4, 16. Then your minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Sorry. Minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 and your again it will be plus 5 whole upon how much it will be 4 square minus root 5 square. So individually I multiplied, I didn't put the square formula because I have shown once. So this will be 16 plus 4 root 5 minus root 5 cancel plus root 5 minus cancel. So you are getting 16 plus 5 plus 5 upon this will be 16 minus 5. So this will be 32 plus 10, 42 by 11. This is answer. Now coming to OR part. OR part is your 81 to the power 0.16 multiplies 81 0.09. You know that when base are same, exponents are added. So 0.16 plus 0.09, this gives you 81 to the power 0.25. 0.25, now you make into fraction. It will be 25 by 100. 25 by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. So you have to simplify 81 to the power 1 by 4. So I'll make 81 as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. You know this power of power, they are multiplied. So 1 by 4, then this 2 will be cancelled. So answer is 3. Question number 22. Factorize this. So I'm sharing a trick. What is it? When you will see that there are 4 terms and 2 are cube, that means either this is a plus b whole cube or this is a minus b whole cube. And how to distinguish whether it will be a plus b, whether it will be a minus b, because one has positive, one is negative. So it will be a minus b whole cube. After getting this, now let us learn how to write it. Again, I repeat, if there will be 4 terms and out of these 4, there will be 2 cubes will be there, then either it will be a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. If all are positive, all the positives there, then it is a plus b whole cube. If 2 negative, 2 positive there, then it will be a minus b whole cube. So just see the 27x cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2x square plus 1 by 4. Once I identified, now I have to justify, or I'll write in the form of a plus b whole cube's formula. So I'll write this is 3x whole cube because 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3 is 27. Next I'll come to, this is your 216 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So if you can identify, then your job is 90% over. So I'll write this is minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Then only it will be negative here. It will negative here it is. So don't ignore this negative. Next, I got a cube. I got my b cube. Then I'll take plus 3a square means 3x square multiplies your minus 1 by 6. Then automatically if you'll see, you will get this one. 3 square is 9 and 6, you will cancel, you will get 9 by 2 x square and 1 negative sign. Then we'll come to fourth term. What is fourth term? Fourth term is I'm writing a minus b whole cube, then you will connect it very nicely. Here a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this will be a 3 first term square into b. So I wrote this one. So last will be 3 multiplies your first term once and your second terms. How many times? It will be 2 times. So this will be minus 1 by 6 whole square. Only thing is to identify these two number whose cube is this, whose cube this, and with this the negative sign, then your thing is correct. Now you'll write 3x minus 1 by 6 whole cube. If all will be positive, then it will be 3x plus 1 by x whole cube. So identify whose cube is this, identify whose cube is this, then only it will be correct. Otherwise it will be wrong. Next is a joker's cap is in form of a right circular cone of base 7 cm, height 24 cm. If the area of the sheet required, find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So you know that a cap is a shape of a cone. So right circular cone, base radius is 7 cm and height is 24 cm. The area of the sheet required to make such 10 caps. 10 caps will be made. First, let us find what is the area of the cloth needed or paper needed for the making the cone. It will be just curved surface area of cone. We have to find out. How many cones? You have to find 10 cones. So we can multiply. So what is the formula for curved surface of cone? It is just simple pi r L. What is L? L is slant height. Where is given? Is it 24? No. 24 is only height. Slant height is slanting position. That length is slant height. So L. So how to get it? Here you will see this is your radius, this is your height, and this is L. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Okay. I hope now you can calculate. H is 24 square, as r is 7 square. 24 square is 576. 7 square is 49. So L square is equal to 625. When L square is 625, L is equal to square root of 625. Square root of 625 is 25. This you can keep remembering, or you can factorize this also. You can get the square root. It will be 25. Next come to curved surface area. It will be pi 22 by 7, r 7, L is 25. This is cancelled. Now we multiply 550. Will multiply 25 to 50. It is 5, 25, 5 centimeters square. Now 10 caps. How much? Will be 5500 centimeters square. Now coming to our question. A radius of a spherical balloon was 7 centimeter. Now it is increased to 14 centimeter. So what is the area of their surface areas of two cases? So what is the formula for surface area? 2 pi r square. So previously it was 2 pi 7 square. Now it is 2 pi 14 square. So since it is 1 mark question, try to save time. 2 to cancel, pi cancel. This will be 7 into 7 upon 14 into 14. Cancel here, don't make 14 square 7 square. So 2. So this will be 1:4. So the ratio of new to original is 4:1, and the ratio of original to new is 1:4. The first one you will write first, second one you will write second. Next is the height and slant height of a cone is 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. Again, the slant height is given. So slant height means your L is given, height is H is given, 21. This is 28. So you have to get R. You will apply Pythagoras theorem. So H square plus R square is equal to L square. I am writing the formula here. In examination, no need of writing. You can directly put 21 square plus R square is equal to 28 square. What I am getting? I am getting radius. Why I am getting radius? Because I need the volume of the cone. So unless I get the radius, I cannot find the volume. So R square is equal to 28 square. You can multiply 28 into 28. It will be 784, I think. Yes, this will be 784, and 21 square is 441. It is 343. 343. R square is 343. Then R square is equal to your R is equal to your, this is 7 into 7 into 7. So this gives you R is equal to square root of 3 sevens. If we take the square root, it will be 7 and under root 7. So this many centimeter. Now coming to volume. What is the formula for volume? It will be your 1 by 3 pi R square into H. So this will be 1 by 3 multiplies 22 by 7. R square is, your R square we have already found out. Directly I can put this 343 into how much is H? H is 21. So 7 3 times, 3 cancel. Now you just multiply, find the volume. 23 366 carries 6, 88, then it's 94 carries 9, 75. So 7546 centimeter cube. Write down, don't forget to write down your unit. Got it. Next, find two solutions of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. How many solutions are possible? Infinite many solutions, but one part is correct. Infinite many solutions possible. And for 2 marks question, as I told, be very particular, be very short. Take x is equal to 0. Then 4 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 24. This gives you 3y is equal to 24. So y is equal to how much? 8. So this is one solution, 0 and 8. X is 0, y is 8. Next make y is equal to 0. Then 4 into x plus 3 into 0. This gives you 24. So 4x is equal to 24, or x is equal to how much? 6. So another pair is 6, 0. So these are the two solutions. Very quickly you can write down without any calculation under the things. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. APQ is equal to 50 degree. PRD is equal to PRD is equal to 125 degree. 127 degree. Find x and y. Okay. So 50 plus y is same as your 127 because they are alternate angle. So you can get y, 50 plus y is equal to 127. So y is equal to 127 minus 50. That will be 57 degree. Got it. Next, coming to x. What will be x? X is just 50. Again, these are alternate angle. So x is equal to 50. So for two answers, you will get 2 marks. Next is, I'm coming to 3 marks question now. This is a question of probability. Read the questions very carefully. 1500 families. That means this is the total outcomes. With two children were selected randomly, find the data was recorded. Number of girls in the family. 0 girls, there are 475 families. 1 girl, 814 family. And 2 girls, 211 family. So you can find less number of family which has 2 girls. Okay, so compute the probability of the family chosen at random having 2 girls. So probability of 2 girls is equal to the number of family having 2 girls is equal to 211 by 1500. And this is cannot be simplified more. Similarly, probability of next is coming 1 girl. Probability of 1 girl is number of family with 1 girl is 814 upon total families 1500. It is 1 girl. It is 19. 1500. Here you can cancel with 2. It will be 2407 and 2 people can it will be 750. No more calculation. No more. Can it be? No. Next probability of no girl. No girl means 0 girl. So how many family? 475 upon 1500. Here you can cancel with 5. 5 9 times 45. 5 5 3 0 0. Next again I can cancel with 5. It will be 19. This will be 5 6 0. So these are the answer. Next, a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. This AS is equal to your AD is equal to SD. They have a toy telephone. They are talking to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. You have to find this length of AS. AS or SD or AD. Okay, for this solving this question, we need some critical thinking. What is it? I'll drop a perpendicular first. AD is the perpendicular. Without this perpendicular, I cannot solve the problem. AD is perpendicular to SD. So when a perpendicular is drawn, it is an equilateral triangle. Why? This all the sides are equal. So when a perpendicular is drawn, it bisects the base. That means SD is equal to your PD. SD is equal to PD. I am drawing a P perpendicular to ST. So this SP I am taking as X. PD is X. Then what will be AX? S will be twice X. So I am writing this as twice X. And here SP is equal to PD is equal to X. And it is mentioned that it has radius 20. Where is 20? OS is equal to 20. OS is equal to 20. Okay. So let us proceed now. You understood? This is the equilateral triangle. All the sides are 2x, 2x, 2x. But here I have drawn a perpendicular which divides in two equal parts. So SP is equal to x. Now I'll go for triangle your A, S and P. I'm taking this triangle. In triangle A, S, P, I'll put Pythagoras theorem. What I'll write? I'll write SP square plus AP square is equal to AS square. SP square is x square. AP square is not given. I am getting it. A is equal to 2x whole square. So you will find from this AP square is equal to 4x square minus x square, that will be 3x square. So AP length is equal to under root 3x, because square root of 3 is your square root 3 and x square is x. So AP is equal to under root 3x. Now after getting this, I'll go for AO and OP. Now AP is also median. Why it is median? Because it is equilateral triangle. Here the perpendicular bisector and a median, they are same. So AP is the median. And again I'll apply now median property. What is it? AO is to OP is equal to 2 is to 1. And the whole length is your root 3x. So if I'll find OP is equal to 1 by 3 into AP. Because AO is 2, this is 1. So this will be 2 by 3 root 3x. And this will be 1 by 3 root 3x. But from root 3x I got AP is equal to root 3x. So it will be 1 by 3 multiplies AP is equal to root 3x. Or if we'll simplify, it will be x by root 3. Now I'll come to triangle OSP. OSP. This I have taken as x, and I found OP as your x by root 3. From this calculation, root 3 is cancelled, root 3, and your OS is equal to 20. So in triangle OSP, I'll write SP square plus OP square is equal to OS square, or SP square is equal to x square, x by root 3 square, OP square is equal to OS square. What is OS? OS is 20, radius of the circle, 20 square. Now simplify. So this will be x square plus x square by 3, root 3 square is 3, is equal to 400. Now simplify again. So 3x square plus x square by 3 is equal to 400, or 4x square is equal to 1200, 3 I multiplied, or x square is equal to 300, or x is equal to square root of 300, that will be your 10 root 3. 10 square is 100, root 3, 300. So x is equal to 10 root 3, but we need your twice x. So twice x is the length of the string. So 2 into 10 root 3, that will be 20 root 3 meter. So length of the each string is 20 root 3 meter. Next, the chord of a circle is equal to the radius. This is a chord, AB is a chord. Its length is same as your radius. This is radius, this is radius, this length is also radius. Now find the angle it's subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc. For AB, this is your minor arc. So you have to find your ACB, and also the point on major arc. You have to find AP, B. You will see that there are two questions. This question is relatively easier than the previous one. So read the question and try to find out which question you can do. Now here I'll apply your properties of the triangle. What is it? In triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. All are equal to radius, because it is given that the chord is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. So all are equal. So when all are equal, each angle will be how much? It will be 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So AOB angle is equal to 60 degree. When AOB is equal to 60 degree, you can get this angle. How much it will be? Half of it, you know. You know this theorem. Angle APB is equal to half of angle AOB, because AOB is double of your APB angle on at the circle on alternate segment. So APB is equal to half of 60 degree, that will be 30 degree. So APB we got, that is the angle on your angle subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc. So this is on major arc. Now coming to other one. Now ACBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. I am writing because I am making you understand, so don't write so many things. Only write that angle P plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? ACPB is cyclic. Instead of writing the whole line, you can write this one. So P angle is we have got 30 degree. So C angle will be 180 minus 30. That will be 150 degree. So this is angle on your minor arc. On, not on, at the point on minor arc. Next, the line L. L is the line. It is the bisector of angle A. It is the bisector. A, B is any point on it. BP and BQ are perpendiculars, given at 90 degree, shown in the figure. You have to prove that APB triangle is congruent to AQB. APB is AQB. Can you find the answer? A in triangle APB and in triangle AQB. First is AB is common. AB is equal to AB. Then one angle we can see it is 90 degree. Angle Q, your angle B is equal to Q is equal to 90 degree. And this is the bisector. Bisector means it makes into equal half. So Q, not Q, A, PAB angle is equal to QAB angle. So by AAS congruency, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. First part is over. Now coming to second part. BP is equal to BQ. Why? BP is equal to BQ because CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. One is part of APB, one is part of AQB. Or B is equidistant from arms of A. AB is a line segment. P is the midpoint. D, E are the points such that given so many relation, BAD is equal to ABE, BAD. BAD, this angle, is equal to ABE. ABE, these two are equal. Next, what else equal? EPA angle is equal to this angle. What you have to prove? You have to prove that triangle DAP, triangle DAP is congruent to EPB. P is the midpoint, so we can take one relation. P is the midpoint, so FP is equal to BP. I'm getting one relation, one side. Rest two angles, I can show it. How to show it? One angle is already given, and then I'll go for this angle. I'll add to this green angle once. I'll get APD, and once I'll add to BPD, so that I'll get your EPB. Then my purpose is solved. So let us write now. APE angle is equal to DPB. Now I am adding this common angle EPB. EPD is equal to EPD. This is a common. I am adding both of them like this. So angle APE plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus EPD. Now, if I'll take APE and EPD, this gives me angle APB, angle APD. Now come to this side, BPD and DPA, this gives me this angle. Which one? It will be EPB. After getting this, now I'll show these two triangles. In triangle DAP and triangle EBP, first is AP is equal to BP. Why it is given? Why it is given? P is midpoint of AB. One side is given. Next I'll take one DAP angle is equal to EBP angle. This is also given. Next I'll get this. Next I'll write this one. Angle APD is equal to EPD by proof. Or we got it. So by AAS congruency, triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. When two triangles are congruent, now I can write AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE by CPCT. Next, coming to question number 31. Construct a triangle PQR. QR is 6 centimeter. Angle Q is 60 degree. PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. If you will analyze this, the figure is given here in this. If this triangle is PQR, PR is greater. So when PR is greater, PQ is smaller, then I'm producing this QA so that PR is same as your PA. And how much this distance or difference? It is 2. So this is 2 centimeter. Then only PR is equal to PA. When PR is equal to PA, then this perpendicular bisector of AR will go through P, because this is the property of isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, the perpendicular bisector meets the vertex. So what are the steps? Steps of the construction is, first one, draw QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Then at Q, draw 60 degree. and produce it downward. Produce it downward. It's downward means नीचे की तरफ थोड़ा बढ़ा दोगे. Now cut 2 centimeter from Q. This name is QA. 4 is join AR. Next 5 is draw perpendicular bisector of AR. It intersects 60-degree line at P. Now join PR. So PQR is the triangle. So I'm showing again very shortly, within short. So this is your QR. Now draw 60 degree, everybody knows. Produce it downward. And from Q, draw 2 centimeter, cut it. Name it A. Join your AR. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AR. This point will be P, join PR. So PQR is the triangle. Or you can go for the video how you draw construction. It is also available. I have done it. Next is 32. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data represented in the following table. Draw a histogram to represent the data. 118 to 126, this is length in millimeter. 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 54 to 62, 63 to 71, and your 172, 180. Number of leaves means these are the frequency are given 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Can you notice that this class interval is not a continuous one? So when it is not a continuous, you have to make it continuous. How to make it continuous? You know, you will subtract 0.5 and you will add 0.5. So it will be 117.5 to 126.5. So here it will be 117.5 to 126.5. Next will be 126.5 to 135.5. Next will be 135.5 to, it should be continuous, otherwise you cannot draw histogram. 145, 4.5. Next is your 144.5 to 153.5. Next is 153.5 to 162.5. You can write yourself 162.5 to 171.5. Next is 171.5 to 180.5. Then only you can draw. Please note down. So this is our graph. You can see I have drawn already. So it is 117.5 on the graph paper. Write down 0 here and put a crank sign here. What is the meaning of this crank sign? Because we are not starting from 0. That means from 0 to 117, all are in between. When the graph is very big, for big numbers, we put this crank sign. Next, I am writing 117.5 as I discussed, 117.5. Then your 126.5. Next is 126.5. Next is your 135.5. Next 144.5, 153.5, 160. Then your 2.5, 171.5, then 180.5. You can pause the video. You can draw yourself, take a graph paper. Then this is your length. This is your length. You have to write in the length, and this is your number of leaves. Now coming to 117 to 126, there are 3 leaves. So there are 3 leaves. 3 is in between 2 and 4. So 117 to this one is your first. I made 3. Next is your 5. Next is 126 to this one will be 5. Draw the measurement correctly from the graph. I may not be correct because this is a digital paper, but I hope you've understood. You can do. This is not that difficult. Then it is your 9. We'll go to 9, between 8 and 10. Then go to this line. You can shade with different colors also. After 9, you'll go to 12 directly. Next is your 5. 5, 4, 2. Next will go to 5. Again 5. 5. Next is your 4. Next is your 2. So this is very easy, but if you will not make it continuous, then the whole thing will be wrong. Because unless it is continuous, you cannot draw your histogram. You can draw the bar graph, not histogram. So I hope you have followed this. Oh, very nice. Next, this is 3 marks last question. In this adjoint figure, PQ and RS are the 2 mirrors. These are the 2 mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray, AB. AB is an incident ray. You've read in physics, science. Strike the mirror at B. It reflected ray moves along the path BC. This is reflected ray. Again, again strikes the mirror RS at C and reflects back to D. You have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So you know the properties of the reflection. I have drawn one BM, which is a normal, another CN, which is another normal. So BM and CN are normals. What is the meaning of normal? They make 90 degree with the surface. So when they are normal, BM and CN are parallel. So let us make the angle now. First I am writing ABM. Angle is known as angle of incidence. This is same as angle of reflection. MBC. ABM is equal to BMC. Next, in the same way, where BCN is equal to NCD. Same logic. Here this is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. These are equal. Next, BM, MBC angle is equal to NCB angle. Why? This is angle or alternate angles. Why alternate angles who are parallel? I mentioned BM is parallel to NC. So they are alternate angles. So each angle is equal to other. So angle ABC is your ABM plus MBC. If I'll take as angle as XX, then it will be twice X. Each angle I'm taking X, X, X. This is also X because alternate angle, this is also X. Similarly, your BCD angle is equal to BCN plus NCD. So that will be 2X. So each angle I am taking your X. This is X. So angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Again, they are what? They are alternate angles. I'll write again, they are alternate. So if alternate angles are equal, then what we say? We say the lines are parallel. So AB is parallel to CD. I'm explaining again. ये AB है, इसको हमने x मान लिया, तो ये भी x है क्योंकि एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन जितना होता है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस भी उतना होता है. अभी यहाँ आए, ये जितना है ये भी उतना ही है क्योंकि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस रिफ्लेक्शन इक्वल होता है. अभी ये x और y दोनों इक्वल है, क्यों ना? दे आर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल. तो ये एंगल डबल ऑफ x है, ये एंगल डबल ऑफ y है और एक्स वाई दोनों इक्वल है. तो ए बी सी एंगल जितना हुआ बी सी डी उतना ही हुआ. अगर ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हुआ और अल्टरनेट हुआ तो ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी डी. So this finishes your 2 marks and 3 marks questions. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. So you are learning and I'm happy.